Let's see.
Pass it around to Mama. Hold on, let me get the paper off.
Here, let me see it so I can get it out of there.
I need the paper off.
Look at that.
Cool soccer ball.
That's a real soccer ball, Toddy.
Yes. I always wanted a real soccer.
There it is.
Go back and kick it. Go over there and kick it. Easy though. What are you gonna say to Pawpaw and Mimi?
Thanks. This is the best. I always wanted a real soccer ball. Put it on my legs, Dad. Put them on my legs. They usually put them right here. I always wanted a real soccer ball.
Your foot goes right in there.
That's cool. Ow!
Like that. And the GoPro goes right in there just like that.
Put it on the other one. They usually put this on the other.
Here, put it on. Just like that one's on there.
This way like this.
Yep, that's it.
Good.
Now run around. See how fast you can run with your shin guards on. Woo!
Hold on. This cord's in the way.
Man, look at you running.
Hey, Dada, open this thing. Right here.
Open the rest of your other ones.
Turn around so I can have some pictures of you, silly girl. I mean, and open your presents too.
I'm gonna do this like a real soccer. Some people will do.